Today we will perform practical number 3, construct basic gates using universal gates. That means we know that the universal gates are NOR gate and NAND gate. So using only NOR gate we can construct basic gates such as AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. As well as using only NAND gate we can construct AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. So therefore the NAND gate and NOR gate is called as universal gates. So today we are going to construct basic gates, that is AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate using universal gates. And these are the relevant program outcomes of this practical. So here this is the logic diagram of NAND gate as NOT gate. So here you can see the NAND gate is used, and if both the inputs are connected together, then it becomes your NOT gate. It gives the output of the NOT gate, and it is having only a single input. This is the circuit diagram. Here it is shown. We will perform it later on. The next logic diagram I am showing here is NAND gate as AND gate. So if you connect this circuit NAND gate like this, you will get the output of AND gate. And this is the circuit diagram of your NAND gate as AND gate. So from NAND gate we are actually constructing AND gate. So basic gate, AND gate. Logic diagram of NAND gate as OR gate. That means by using NAND gates we are going to construct OR gate. The output will be of OR gate, and this is the circuit diagram of the NAND gate as NOR gate as OR gate. Then we will go. Now here you will see this is I am using here NOR gate. So now here we are using NOR gate to construct basic gates. So here this circuit diagram will show how NOR gate is connected, and then it becomes your NOT gate. So this is how NOR gate becomes NOT gate, and this is the circuit diagram of the same logic diagram. Now here you can see NOR gate connection is done. Here we are connecting NOR gate and we will get the output of AND gate. So here we are getting AND gate output by connecting NOR gates only, and this is the circuit diagram. Here you will see the logic diagram of NOR gate as OR gate. So here we are connecting NOR gates to get the output of the OR gate. So hence we have constructed the OR gate using NOR gates only, and this is the circuit diagram of this. Now we will perform practically. So now I am going to show you the circuit diagram and the connections of NAND gate as NOT gate. Here you can see this is NAND gate. The IC number is 7400. In that, when we connect both the inputs together, that becomes your NAND gate as NOT gate. I have shown the connections here. These are the pin numbers. So pin number 1 and 2 are connected together to form a single input. I have named it as A. And pin number 3 is output. So pin number 3 I am going to connect LED, and this will be the output table. So when I give 0, output will be 1. When I give 1, output will be 0. This is of NAND gate as AND gate. Here we will need 2 AND gates. This is first and this is second. In a single IC of NAND gate there are 4 NAND gates. Single IC there are 4 NAND gates. Out of that we are going to use 2. And the connections will be like this. At pin number 1 it is A. At pin number 2 it is B. Then pin number 3 output is connected to 4 and 5 of this NAND gate IC. So this is pin number 4, pin number 5. And then pin number 6 we are going to connect LED, where we are going to check the output. So this is the truth table of NAND gate as AND gate. When you give 0, 0, output is 0, 0, 1, output is 0, 1, 0, output is 0, and 1, 1, output is 1. Next is the pin connections of NAND gate as OR gate. So here we need 3 NAND gates. You can see here. So I am going to show you the pin connections. Pin number 1 and 2 we are going to short it, connect together. and take it as a single input A. Pin number 4 and 5 we are going to connect together and take its single input B. Then pin number 3 of this NAND gate and pin number 6 of this NAND gate is going to be connected to pin number 10, and 3 is going to be connected to pin number 9 of this NAND gate, and at the output we are going to connect the LED to check the output. And this is the truth table of this gate. When you give 0 0, output will be 0. When you give 0 1, output will be 1. When you give 1 0, output will be 1, and 1 1, output will be 1. So this is overall truth table and the connections of NAND gate as basic gates. We are performing NAND gate as NOT gate. I have done all the pin number 7 is grounded, pin number 14 is VCC connected to the power supply. Now pin number 1 and 2, pin number 1 and 2 is connected together, and output is taken from that pin. Now this is your input, actually A, this is A, and the LED is the output. It is connected to pin number 3, and the LED cathode is connected to ground, and this is the overall connection. Now I am going to give this input pin, this is A, I am going to give it as 0, so LED should glow. So you can see there, when I switch on the power supply, when I give input 0, output is 1. Now I will give input 1 and LED should be off. You can check here, we are going to check here, and LED is off. Hence we have proved this NAND gate as NOT gate. So now this is the overall connection of the NAND gate as AND gate I have done. This is the input A, this is input B. Now AND gate output is for 0. We are going to give 0 0 input now. For 0 0, output should be 0. So LED is off, output is 0. So A is 0 and B should be 1. So I am going to connect it to VCC. Output is still 0. Now I am going to connect 1 0. So यहाँ पे this is A, this is 1. And this is B, this is 0, I am connected to ground, output is still 0. Now for input, both 1 1, so A is also 1 and B is also 1, I am going to connect to VCC, output is 1. So you can check LED is on and output is 1, hence we have proved it as AND gate. Now this is the circuit diagram of NAND gate as OR gate. The overall connection is done. So now I am going to do the connections. This is the input A and this is input B. Now first we will connect both 0 0. So when both the inputs are 0, output is also 0. So LED should not glow. So LED is off. So we have proved the first condition. Now I am going to switch off the power supply. Now next, A is 0 and B is 1. So I am going to connect B to VCC. The output should be 1. So LED is on. So this is 1. Now the third condition, A 1 and B 0. So I am going to connect B to 0 and A to 1, that is VCC. So LED is on, proved. Now next, both A and B, both to VCC, LED is on. This is the truth table of OR gate. Hence we have proved that NAND gate is constructed to form OR gate. This is the pin diagram of NOR gate as NOT gate. So here we are going to use NOR gate IC. We are going to construct NOR gate and the output will be of NOT gate. So here pin number 2 and 3 has to be shorted. So it has to be connected together to form a single input. So like this, and then it is your single input A. So NOR gate output is 1 and 2 and 3 is input. So I am going to connect 2 and 3 to the input pins and LED will be connected at the pin number 1. And this is the truth table of NOT gate. When you give 0, output is 1. When you give 1, output is 0. the pin configuration of NOR gate as OR gate. So we are going to convert NOR gate into OR gate. So we need 2 NOR gates. So in a single IC there are 4 NOR gates. Out of that we are going to use 2 NOR gates. Now you can see pin number 2 will be the input, pin number 3 will be the input, pin number 1 will be connected to pin number 5 and 6 of the next NOR gate in the same IC, and pin number 4 is the output, and here we are going to connect the LED. And this is the truth table of NOR gate as OR gate. So output will be of OR gate. So 0 0 output is 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 it is 1, and 1 1 it is 1. Configuration of NOR gate as AND gate. So in this pin configuration you can see we need 3 NOR gates. Now in a single IC there are 4 NOR gates. Out of that we are going to use 3. So at pin number 2 and 3 we are going to short it and take out input, that is A. Pin number 5 and 6 we are going to short and take input B. Pin number 1 will be the output of this NOR gate, and that will be connected to pin number 9 of the same IC. Pin number 4 will be connected to pin number 10 of the same IC, and at pin number 8 we will get the output, and we are going to connect LED at pin number 8. And this is the truth table of AND gate. So 0 0 output is 0, 0 1 output is still 0, 1 0 output is 0, and 1 1 output is 1. This is the connection of NOR gate IC as NOT gate. Here you can see one pin is in output and 2 and 3 is input, and from there I have taken input A. I am going to give 0 to A, that is I am going to connect it to ground, and the output should be 1. So I am putting the power supply on and the output is 1. Now I am going to connect this pin to 1, input to 1, that is VCC, and the output should be 0, and LED is off. So hence we have proved NOT gate, NOR gate as NOT gate. This is the circuit connection of NOR gate as OR gate. Okay? So I have already explained the pin diagram. Now I am going to do the connection. I am going to check the output. So this is A and this is B. So first for input 0 0, output is 0, that means LED should not glow. So when I switched on the power supply, LED is off. Now when A is 0 and B is 1, output should be 1, and output is 1. Now for B 0 and A 1, output is 1, and when A and B both is 1, output is still 1, output is 1. Hence we have proved NOR gate as OR gate. This is the connection of NOR gate as AND gate. So we have done the connection, all the connection which I have explained right now, to form as it as NOR gate as AND gate. Now here this input is A and this input is B. So for input 0 0, the output should be 0. That means LED should be off. So we are going to check it now. Input 0 0, I am going to put on the power on, and LED is off. Power off. Now input A 0 and B 0, the output should be 0. So I will switch on the power supply. So LED is off. So output is 0. Now for input A as 1 and B as 0. So I am going to connect B to ground and A as 1. Output is still 0. And for both the inputs as 1 1. So here I am going to connect both the inputs to 1 and 1. So LED is on. Hence it is proved NOR gate as AND gate.